I am about to pump, and I remember that a couple people asked me which breast pump I'm using and if I like it or not. So I'm using which by the way, I'm proud of my two people that asked me. Thank you, I'm very proud of that. So I'm using the Spectra. This is the portable one. And after 3 months, it's holding on pretty well. I do find that I've been charging it a little bit more often, but that's probably just because I'm pumping more often, maybe. But overall, it's pretty good. I'm just gonna give a couple things that I like about it and what I don't like. It's not that I'm gonna share what I don't like about the Spectra per se. I think that the product does what it's supposed to, but I'm gonna share why I think I should have bought a wearable breast pump. So starting with what I like the fact that there are different settings. So you're gonna have your cycle settings and then the vacuum settings, and you can just kind of adjust the cycle based off of what you like. The most popular cycle that probably you'll see everybody online say that they like is cycle 54, and you can just adjust the different levels on that specific cycle. I like to start at like a 2 because it just kind of stimulates the nipple a little bit. You'll find it crazy that the baby actually stimulates your nipple a little bit before actually sucking the milk out. At least my baby does that. It's wild. So I'll start at like a 2 if I need to stimulate my nipple, and then I'll just kind of pump up the volume eventually. Although now I've come to the point where I don't even feel my nipples, so I just start at a high volume right away. I also like that there's a cup holder. Many times I've had to like detach the breast pump, put it down, go do a quick errand, go fix myself a snack before I sit back down to continue pumping. So it's actually very convenient. And the breast pump itself, I don't know what it is about like the bottom of it or those plastic bottles, they tip over so easily. So this has been very convenient. And then the last thing that I like about this is that the breast pumps are so easy to clean. It's just like 2 parts with like a little plastic filter that's inside the bottle itself. It's very easy to clean. So that's a plus because I heard that the wearable breast pumps are harder to clean. Now to what I don't like about, not the Spectra per se, but what I don't like about having a breast pump that has a string attached to it. What I hate about this is there have been so many times where I am pumping and I could have been sleeping at the same time. I remember watching a YouTube video of women reviewing different breast pumps, and one of them said that she wishes she had a breast pump that she could take a nap with. And at the time, my baby wasn't here yet. I did not take that advice seriously, and I wish I did. I'm here to tell you that there are going to be so many times where your baby's sleeping and you're pumping and it's in the middle of the night and there's really no reason for you to be awake, but you have to pump, and you unfortunately have to stand up straight because a lot of pumps like this, if I'm not standing straight or like leaning over a little bit, the milk is just not going to flow into the bottle properly. So I really wish that I was wearing something wearable, that I didn't have to worry about that. I could just pop it in my bra, because you wear a bra anyways. If you pump, like I literally sleep, wake up, eat, gym, everything in a nursing or like pumping bra. So you're going to be wearing a bra anyways, so why not just wear like a comfortable bra that you could just pop in your wearable breast pumps in, take a nap, and you're good. There's only so much that you can do with this. Even there's still a string attached to it. I can't cook, I can't do yoga, I can't, pick up the babe. Like there's not much that I can do with this. I feel like the fact that it's portable, don't let that fool you, because you're still probably going to be tied down to your couch or your bed or wherever you're pumping. There's not much that you can do because this is still attached to you. So overall, I feel like the Spectra, it's great. It does what it's supposed to. The different cycles are convenient, but really consider your lifestyle when you're purchasing a breast pump. Are you okay with being tied down to a couch? After like 4 weeks after giving birth, you might be able to move around a little bit, and you're gonna wanna like walk around your apartment. You might wanna cook, you might wanna do a little bit of yoga. I don't know. You will not be able to do that with this. Either way, next baby, for sure, it's gonna be a wearable breast pump, because I'm not gonna waste any extra time on the couch anymore. I'm gonna pump and I'm gonna be out and about. I don't care how long it takes to clean those things. Hopefully that's helpful. Bye.